Hello friends and fans of EVGA, and today we're going to do a really quick installation guide for GPU drivers. You get a new GTX card or a new RTX card, first thing you're going to need to do is install drivers. One of the most common ways to do that is just through Windows Update. If you're running a Windows 10 PC, which if you're running an RTX card you will be, then the drivers will actually automatically come through Windows Update. But if you want the latest version, then that's always going to be at EVGAcom. So we have a system here with an RTX 2080 on it, and currently there are no NVIDIA drivers. If I right click, you can see there's no option for the NVIDIA control panel. Let's open up a browser. We're going to go to EVGA.com, go to Service, Drivers and BIOS. We have all the drivers for all of our cards, in fact all of our products, through this link. Graphics card is the default. The family here is the 20 series. This is Windows 10 64-bit, and we're going to have it show all the drivers, but we're going to download the latest one from this week. We're going to save that. Our file is now downloaded. We're going to go ahead and double click on it. That will open up an extractor, and the NVIDIA program already has a location that it wants to extract to, a path that it wants to extract to, and I use the default one, but you can change it if you want. Once the file finishes extracting, the installer will automatically start. It'll start to check the system to see if we actually have a card installed and that is compatible with this driver and this version of Windows. If you get an error saying not compatible with this version of Windows, you may need to update with Windows Update before that driver will actually install. We do see that from time to time. We now get the option to either install the graphics driver by itself or the graphics driver plus the GeForce Experience. GeForce Experience is pretty cool. It actually optimizes games, allow you to record games, and a bunch of other things. So we're going to go ahead and install that. And you also get the option for Express or Custom Install. Express Install is your one-click option. Basically, we'll install all the software. Personally, there's a couple things on here that I don't think we need, so I'm going to do Custom, and specifically, I'm going to uncheck the two 3D Vision options, because 3D Vision is a special type of 3D glasses that we don't have connected to this system, and we probably won't. So we're going to install the driver, HD audio, and the rest of the options that NVIDIA gives us. One thing interesting, there's also a USB-C driver that's specific to RTX cards. That is because there is a USB-C port that's the next generation of basically of a VR headset connector, and it does need drivers. There's also the option to perform a clean install, but on this system we don't have any previous drivers, so we will install it without that option. But if you have previous drivers or you're having any issues with your current drivers, you can do perform clean install to remove any previous drivers before you install the new ones. There we go. It tells you that it's finished. It gives you the option to create a shortcut for the GeForce Experience, also to open the GeForce Experience. We're just going to create that shortcut. If you want to verify that these drivers are installed, you can right-click. You'll now have the NVIDIA Control Panel option. You can go into the NVIDIA Control Panel. This gives you a lot of options for your monitor and for the card in general. Go to System Information here at the bottom left, and we can see that the driver version is 4.16.16, so the drivers are fully installed on this Windows 10 system with this RTX 2080 card. Keep watching this channel for some future how-to videos on how to use your EVGA hardware. Cut!